Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version YouTube. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to install the YouTube on your Google Play Store and you are seeing the error your device isn't compatible with this version, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. Then search for YouTube older version. If you know your Android OS version, you can type it here. For example, go back, just go to the settings. You can see last option about phone. You just need to select here. You can see Android version. Mine Android version is 13. If your Android version is 4, 5, you can just see the Android version from here. Then go to your Chrome browser, then search for YouTube older version, and you can write your OS here. Android 13. Mine Android is 13, so I am writing here 13. If you have lower Android version, you can write that version. Suppose if your Android version is 5, you can write in place of 13 you have to write 5. After that, you can select any one of them. Scroll down. Here you will find all older versions of the YouTube. Below you can see the versions 4.1, 4.1, like this. You can download your as per your Android which version is compatible. You can download that one. You can see in right side last arrow mark, you have to just click on that and the APK will be downloaded. If this doesn't work, then go to the another website, scroll down, you can see all the versions. You can scroll down for latest, you can scroll down for older versions, just tap on this see more, like this. If it doesn't find your as per your Android version, you can tap on again see more. Suppose if this is your version, then tap on that and tap on download. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your device isn't compatible with this version. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to